Have you ever looked at a division problem and felt like this? You don't have to anymore. With partial quotients, your understanding of these problems will increase. You will know exactly why you are going to and how to solve these problems. Partial quotients refers to a method used to solve large division mathematical problems. The method uses simple logic by allowing the student to understand the problem in a less abstract form. So let's take a look at some examples with our math matcher, Mrs. Hatch. Mrs. Hatch?
Oh, hello everyone. Today we are going to make problems like this be a bit more manageable. We have this problem here. Let's start with 2,637 divided by 23. The first thing we are going to do is to make the dividend and the divisor have the same place value. That means we need to multiply the divisor, which is 23, by 100. We'll write that answer over here, 2,300. See how all the digits match up? There, at least they match up on mine. So that means that the dividend and the divisor have the same place value. Now we can take away a group of 2,300 from 2,637 by subtracting it. Now we want to try to fit 23 into 337. Again, let's make the place values the same. This time we multiply by 10 to get 230. See how the digits match up again? To take away one group of 230 from 337, we need to subtract again. This time, we can't make the place values the same because if we did, 230 is bigger than 107. We can't fit any entire groups of 230 into 107. So instead, we can make 23 bigger by multiplying it by another number. Let's try it with 2. If we have 23 2 times, that makes a total of 46. So now we see how many numbers are left over when we take a group of 46 away from 107 by subtracting. Okay, we still have a number that is bigger than 23, so we need to multiply it again. Will 46 fit into 61? You're absolutely right, it will. Let's subtract those two and see what's left over. Okay, now can 23 fit into 15? That's correct. No, it can't. We can't fit an entire group of 23 into 15 because 23 is bigger than 15. That means that we're done with this part. But what is our answer? To find out, we need to take all of the groups that we made and add them together. So we started off with 100 groups of 23 to fit into 2,637. We need to add the next set of groups that we made, so we made 10 groups of 23 to fit into 337. Then we made 2 groups of 23, and we made 2 groups of 23 again. When we add all of these groups together, we get 114 groups of 23. That means that our answer is that 23 fits into 2,637 114 times. But we had 15 left over, so we add that on as a remainder. Therefore, 2,637 divided by 23 equals 114, with a remainder of 15.